In today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 side hustles teens are actually using to make real money during summer break, with real numbers and real stories behind each one. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and before we get into the list, I want to be upfront about what makes this video different. Most videos on this topic give you vague possibilities. Today, I'm going to give you actual earnings, actual case studies, and the honest truth about what it takes to make each hustle actually worth, including how long it takes before the money starts coming in. Here's the reality check. Teens running one casual hustle make between $30 and $80 per month. Teens stacking 2 or 3 that work on different schedules can reach $150 to $350 per month. And a smaller group of dedicated teens who go on 1 or 2 things, treating them like actual businesses, can reach $500 to $1,500 per month or more. What separates every tier isn't talent, luck, or picking the perfect hustle. It's consistency and choosing the right starting point. So let's go ahead and get into all 7. Hustle number 1 is lawn care and outdoor services. Jack Fleming started a lawn care business as a teenager by borrowing his family's mower and knocking on doors. He showed up on time, did the job properly, and asked every satisfied client whether they knew anyone else who needed the same service. That referral loop became his entire growth engine, and he eventually built the business to $70K in profit. Lawn care is still one of the most reliable summer income generators for teens. Mowing, edging, weeding, hedge trimming, and pressure washing are all services homeowners would rather pay someone else to do in the summer heat. Start by using one client's equipment if needed. Once you've earned enough to buy your own mower and trimmer, your professionalism and competitive position both improve immediately. Realistic earnings look like $20 to $60 per lawn. 5 lawns per week at a $35 average is $700 per month. Part-time, no boss, completely flexible hours. To get started, walk your neighborhood this week and count homes with overgrown grass or unkept hedges. Go door to door with a simple flyer showing your phone number and a clear price. Door-to-door outreach beats posting on social media for local services every time. That's because the decision maker is right in front of you and you get an answer on the spot. Add gutter cleaning and pressure washing as you grow, and this can become a year-round business. Hustle number 2 is tech help for adults. A 16-year-old started offering tech visits to neighborhoods at $20 per visit. His parents passed his name around their network, and within 2 weeks he had 6 bookings, setting up a new iPhone, fixing a printer, organizing a photo library, connecting a smart TV, and helping 2 people with new tablets. He made $120 in 2 weeks from conversations that felt like nothing to him. To his clients, he'd solve problems that would have taken them hours. Adults over 45 will pay a trusted team to set up a new phone, transfer photos, fix Bluetooth issues, organize cloud storage, set up streaming services, or explain why their laptop is slow. What takes you 15 minutes takes them 3 frustrated hours. The rate is anywhere between $20 to $50 per visit. Tell your parents what you're offering and set a rate. They will eventually tell their friends. Your first client comes within a week, and every satisfied client is a referral source. 0 startup cost, 0 equipment, and no formal skills required beyond patience and the ability to explain things in plain language. Hustle number 3 is pet sitting and dog walking. A 15-year-old built a client base of 7 regular clients over one summer by offering drop-in visits, 15-minute check-ins to feed, water, and spend time with the pet. Her rate was $15 per drop-in. 7 clients averaging 3 visits per week each meant $315 per week during peak summer, working about 2 hours a day. Pet care demand is high during summer because families go on vacation, so drop-in visits are the fastest growing format. Shorter, more frequent, and preferred by many owners over boarding. Rover requires 18 in most markets, so the neighborhood approach works a lot better for younger teens and pays more because there are no platform fees. Ask your parents to message their network, post on Nextdoor or your neighborhood Facebook group. The rate can be anywhere between $15 to $25 per visit. Send photo updates during every visit without being asked. One habit builds trust faster than anything else and almost guarantees repeat bookings. Hustle number 4 is selling Canva or Notion templates. A teen built a Notion study schedule template and listed it on Etsy for $7. 3 months of nearly 0 sales. Then she rewrote the listing title with better keywords, and the following week she made 15 sales. By the end of the summer, that one template had made over $200 with no additional work. She built 5 more templates and the compounding began. Tools like Canva make this accessible with no design background at all. Canva's built-in AI features let you build professional-looking templates in a fraction of the time it used to take. Notion templates as well for students, like study schedules, college application trackers, and goal-setting dashboards all sell on Etsy for anywhere between $5 to $25. Canva templates for social media posts, class presentations, and event invitations follow the same model. You build the product once and then sell it unlimited times. If you want to check out Canva or Etsy or Notion, we have exclusive links down in the description below where you can get started for free. The honest truth is most teens quit before the first sale arrives. The teens who push through to 30 or more sales hit a flywheel. Reviews accumulate, the Etsy algorithm starts surfacing the listing, and the templates sell consistently for months with no additional effort. Again, start your store with the Etsy link in the description below and use Canva to build your first templates. Etsy allows minors to sell through a parent's account, so if you are under 18, just make sure you have your parent manage and set it up for you. Hustle number 5 is social media content creation for local businesses. A 17-year-old approached a local bakery and offered to manage their Instagram for 1 month in exchange for $150 and free pastries. She posted 5 times per week, grew the account from 200 to 800 followers, and drove 3 new wholesale inquiries. The bakery hired her for a second month at $200. By the time the school year started, she had 3 local business clients making $600 per month. Local restaurants, coffee shops, boutiques, salons, and gyms need social media content, but don't actually have the time to create it. So teens who grew up on TikTok and Instagram really understand these platforms at a level most small business owners simply just don't. That gap is the business. So the pitch here is find a local business with a weak or neglected Instagram or TikTok. Use Canva to create free sample posts using their existing product photos. Then you can present those samples in person or in a short email. Offer a 1-month trial at $100 to $200 to prove what you can do. The first client teaches you more than any course. Once you have one result to point to, the second and third client comes from word of mouth between business owners who know each other. Again, that Canva link is down below if you want to check it out and test it out for yourself. Hustle number 6 is flipping thrift store and garage sale finds. A 16-year-old went to thrift stores with $50 in savings. His first flip was a vintage denim jacket bought for $6, sold on Depop for $45. A $39 profit in 3 days. By the end of summer, he had made $800 in profit across 22 flip items. The one habit that made the difference is he researched what sold before he bought anything. So before going to any thrift store, search sold listings on eBay for these types of items you're considering. Sold listings show what things actually sold for in real transactions, not just what sellers are asking for. That data tells you exactly what's worth picking up, what consistently sells, like vintage denim, branded athletic wear from Nike and Adidas, band t-shirts from the 80s and 90s, video game accessories, and vintage electronics that work. Avoid generic clothing brands with no resale value, damaged items, and anything fragile that could break in shipping. Start with $30 to $50, flip it, reinvest the profit. Good photos, honest listings, and fast shipping build a seller rating that makes every future sale easier. Hustle 7 is tutoring peers and younger students. A 16-year-old who scored well on her AP exams offered 2-hour tutoring sessions to freshmen and sophomores for about $20 per session. She found her first 3 clients through her school's parent Facebook group. By midsummer, she was tutoring 4 students per week, $160 per week, $640 per month, in blocks that fit around her own schedule. Parents will pay real money for academic help from someone that they trust. If you've performed really well in math, science, writing, test prep, or a foreign language, you have a marketable skills families in your area are going to need right now. Your rate could be $15 to $30 per hour. In more advanced subjects plus proven results means a higher rate. One parent whose child improves tells 2 others without being asked. Most tutoring platforms do require you to be 18, so use the neighborhood path. Tell your parents, post in your school's parent Facebook group, and offer a half price first session to let a family experience your approach before committing. Once you have one result to reference, the next client conversation becomes so much easier. Like I said, the teens making real money during summer aren't doing just one of these, they're stacking 2 or 3 on complementary schedules. Lawn care Tuesdays and Thursday mornings generates immediate cash. Tutoring on weekend afternoons provides reliable weekly income. An Etsy template shop built with Canva runs in the background the whole time, generating passive income without requiring scheduled hours. Physical outdoor work in the morning, screen-based work in the evening, passive systems always running in the background. That combination lets you earn from 3 directions without any of them draining the same energy at the same time. Every teen who tries one of these and quits will say it didn't work. Every teen who earns real money from one of them stuck through the slow start. The first 2 to 4 weeks of any of these businesses produce almost nothing. Treat that period as a learning phase. The teens who quit in week 2 do it right before things would have started to click. Start this week, not when you feel ready. The first door knocked on, the first listing published, the first pitch made, that teaches more than any amount of planning ever could. Pick one hustle and commit to 4 weeks of real effort. Track what you earn and what you learn. Then decide whether to go deeper or add something alongside it. Summer is 12 weeks. Spend 2 setting up and you have 10 weeks to earn. 10 weeks at $150 per week is $1,500. That's a car payment, a college fund contribution, or simply not having to ask anyone for money for the next year. Pick your hustle, use the links in the description to get the tools that you need, and start this week. The compounding takes care of itself once you begin. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real income streams with honest guidance and no fluff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.